In this video, I'm going to be talking about the GoPro replacement process, how it works, and what you can expect if you are to utilize it. So the first thing you need to do in order to be able to replace your GoPro is purchase a GoPro premium subscription. There is either an annual subscription, which is $50, or you can do a monthly subscription, which is $5 a month. Personally, that's what I opted to do. Now, after you've made the premium subscription, the next thing you need to do is go on the official GoPro website, open up a help ticket with them and let them know, hey, I would like to initiate a replacement for my camera. After that, they're going to get back in touch with you. They're going to verify that you do have the premium subscription, and then they're going to verify your shipping address, camera, make and model, etc. After they've done all that, they will then send you a payment authorization form because if you didn't know, there is a $100 replacement fee associated with replacing your camera. Now, it is important to note that GoPro will only replace your camera with the same model or newer if they're not currently making the model that you have. So for example, I went to send back in my GoPro Hero 10, and because they're no longer making those and they're considered a legacy model, GoPro gave me the choice to choose between a Hero 12 or Hero 13 because at the time of making this video and when I replaced my camera, that is currently what they are producing. And obviously I decided to go for the Hero 13. So after you make the payment authorization, which is again $100, you will then receive your shipping label and everything you need to be able to send it off to GoPro through UPS. Now, the shipping label is 100% paid for. It's totally free. You don't have to pay for that. And the whole process between when I shipped it off to GoPro and received my new camera, my Hero 13, was about 3 weeks. And I'm in the United States. Now, I did want to mention, going back a few steps, when you go to ship your camera to GoPro, you only need to include just the camera. Don't include the SD card. Don't include the battery. Nothing. Simply just send the camera back as it is. But yeah, like I said, after 3 weeks, I did get my new camera back. It's a brand new camera, and I did confirm with GoPro that it wasn't a refurbished camera. They do send it through e-commerce shipping, so you don't get the fancy like GoPro bag and accessories that normally come with it when you purchase a new GoPro, which is fine because you likely already have a lot of those accessories like myself. Now, there is something important to note. If you do have a legacy camera and you're considering doing the replacement process and getting the Hero 13, the Hero 13 battery is different than the 12 and prior year model GoPros, because for the Hero 13, they redesigned the battery completely. So if you have a bunch of batteries for the GoPro Hero 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, they will not work with the new 13. So just keep that in mind. So thanks for watching, guys. That is going to sum up this GoPro replacement video. I hope you found it helpful. If you were someone looking to replace your GoPro and you weren't really exactly sure how it worked and what to expect throughout the whole thing, if you did find this video super helpful, I would appreciate a like and subscription, as that really helps me out as a creator. But I did just want to say, throughout this whole process, GoPro was extremely professional, extremely easy to work with, and probably some of the absolute best customer service I've ever experienced with a company. So if you have a GoPro, something ever happens and you need to replace it, absolutely go through this process. At $100, replacing a camera, that is a really good deal. And no, I just wanted to add, GoPro did not have me make this video. I'm just making this video out of the kindness of my heart because I personally couldn't find any good information on the internet, forums, or videos that explain this process in detail. A lot of the stuff I found was a couple of years old, and there were a lot of things that said like, you don't get a new battery with the camera, or they replaced the camera with an old refurbished one that was messed up, which, as you can see in the video, a lot of that turned out to be just myths and totally not true. So again, thanks for watching, guys, and don't forget, stay glossy, my friends.